Welcome back to the Vi Import-Export channel, a channel dedicated to sharing knowledge about the import-export field. Today, Vi will share with you the method to find import-export customer emails using the Apollo tool. Here it has a very interesting version, which is the free version. You can use about 100 emails, find 100 emails in a month completely free. Are you ready? Let's get started. In the first part, we will go through the outline, which will have two main sections. First, we will create an Apollo account and learn how to search for emails. And in the second part, we will learn how to install the Apollo extension into our web browser to use it more conveniently. All right, okay, let's move on to the first part, creating an Apollo account. You can, on the web browser, you can type vixnk.com, not Apollo. Then it will redirect to our main Apollo page. Here, you can use your work email. They say enter your work email here to create an account, or you can also sign up using your Google account. Before clicking sign up with a Google account, you will select this button, the button to accept their terms and conditions. To keep it simple, Vi will log in with a Google account. All right, we log in with the Google account. Next, it will display an interface like this. They say that this interface is intended to guide us on how to set up. Just set up, everyone. You can click to view it or click I will do it later to make it quick. Vi will click I will do it later to speed things up. For those who don't know how to do it, you can click set up for success. All right. You click on the star icon. After creating an account like that, then how do we find the email? It's very simple, everyone. Here you will click on the company section. Here, okay. For example, if we know there is a company that imports products similar to ours, importing from Vietnam, how do we try to find their email? Here, they have a tour, everyone. Currently, most software companies have a section to guide users. If you have time, you can click on this to see how the tour works. They guide us on how to use it, how to save, contacts, how to view, progress, and how to search. Okay, right. If we already know, we don't need to watch. We just skip the tour. Then the search part is very simple. Everyone, you can click on company here. Then I just need to search for the company here. I type the name of the company I need to search. For example, currently, Vi wants to search for the email of the company, Export Packer. Export Packer, just press enter, everyone. When you type, it will show a list of companies here, and you'll see the first company is the most accurate. It has a logo, and it shows the number of employees here, 500 people. So you click on it. Then when you click here, you'll see the people button, everyone. Click on the people button, okay? and it will reveal a series of personnel within the company. So at this point, you can easily obtain the emails of the key persons here. For example, usually you would look for the email of the president or the purchasing department to contact them, as it would be most appropriate for the buyer. Scroll down to take a look. Here, there's a lady who is a procurement administrator. This lady manages purchasing, so you can get her email by clicking on Access Email. They say you need to agree to their terms, so you click on I will comply here. There you go. The email appears right away. Everyone, then grab it immediately. Copy this email. And at this point, you can click on your Outlook to send an email, or save it into a notepad or an Excel file. Everyone, it's up to you. However you want to save it, go ahead, save it. So you can use this email to contact the customer. It's best to choose about 2 people, because sometimes one person might not check their email, or they might not be the right buyer. So I usually choose at least 2 people. For example, I will also choose this person. This person is the vice president. So I will also take this person's email. Here is the email. You just need to copy it. Then paste it to save it. There. Now you have 2 customer emails. Feel free to use them. And that's how you do it. There's even the customer's phone number here. It's quite comprehensive. All right. Okay. So in this part, this free version, when you click on update to see how many emails the free version allows you to have. Here you can see the free version will give you. Here's the email credit. The table, the free plan. When Vi looked into it, I found that you can use 100 emails per month. And it allows you to find 60 phone numbers per year. If we have the means, if our company has the means, we can pay for the paid versions here. For example, $49 for the basic package, $79 for the professional package. But if we don't have, if our budget is limited, using this free package is also okay. Next, we will move on to part 2, which is the Apollo extension. Trump, meaning we installed the Apollo add-on, so we can quickly search for the customer's email. Then we will return to the web browser. On the web browser, you will type extension. It's already available here. Extension Apollo Trump, everyone. Then you select the first one. And after that, we will install this extension into Trump. Why do we do this? So that later, when we search for the email, it will be easier for our customers to find, especially since this extension is very powerful for finding emails. On LinkedIn, everyone, click on Add to Trump, add the add-on. Let's wait a little bit for it to download, everyone. Then on the screen, once it has finished downloading, you can find the extension located here. Then we open this extension. At this point, consider it enabled, everyone. Now, let's return to the web browser. For example, if your company is in the business of selling fruit products and you need to find fruit importers, ito in Australia. You type in frozen fruit, Australia. It's available here. So you will add the word LinkedIn because we need to find those companies that have profiles on LinkedIn so we can get emails using this Apollo tool. Then you press enter and it will show the first result right away. So let's click on the first one. Now, this SC Frozen Food Company, you can see their products, which are frozen fruits. So the possibility that they import fruit products from Vietnam is entirely possible, right? This is one of the potential customers. Now let's scroll down to take a look. I'll see these two people. And then, for example, if I want to get this guy's email, this Russell, I'll click on it. So how do you get the email of this person? First, you need to sign into LinkedIn, everyone. Let's log in first. It already remembers the account in here. Let's see. This requires start the tour, skip the tour. Hold on, everyone. This requires us to log into the LinkedIn account. So wait a moment while Vi gets the code. All right. After Vi gets the code, we can log in. Once you log into your LinkedIn account, on the right side, a yellow area will appear. Click on it. This is guiding us to skip the tour, everyone. Then you will see view email address. Click on this button and the customer's email will appear. We can't find the phone number here, but having the email is fine. Just copy the email. All right. There's another customer's email. There it is. russellaustralfrozenfruit.com.au. This email is very high quality and you can send an email to offer your products to the customer. All right, okay. That concludes today's tutorial. I hope it will be useful for you to help you find more customer emails and also to get your first export orders. If you find this video useful, please click like and subscribe to the channel to receive the latest video notifications weekly. And finally, thank you for taking the time to watch. See you in the next videos. Bye bye and goodbye.